Hi, my name is Hetal, and in this video, we are going to talk about the details that we get to see while watching any of the session recordings. So, once we try to play a session recordings, the details that we get to see over here are the number of pages that are present in this specific session recording. So, let's say if you want to navigate to any of the page directly, or you want to see which all pages the visitor has visited, you can select those pages directly. And you also get to see something called as session 2 of 2, which means that this specific visitor has visited the website twice, and then these are the two sessions that we have. Currently, the second session is being played, right? So, if this was a very first time visitor, you would have seen all sessions of this visitor to be one. But let's say you play any session recording randomly, and if you see that the number is more than one over here, which means that visitor is a frequent visitor of the website, and all the session recordings have been captured in one place. So you can play any of their session recordings to see what is the behavior on the website. You also get to see something called as events of current session, which means when I play a specific session recording, you will also get to see a contextual information based on what exactly is happening on the web page. So as you see over here, it shows clicked, right? And you can see that there is one click that has been captured over here. So that is how you get to see the context or events in terms of each of the session recordings. And if you see over here, the indication saying that the blue color will show you the left clicks. Here, there is one click, which means this was the first click captured on the specific page. And then the green colors would have been indicated with the right clicks. All these red colored tails that you see are called as mouse tails. And if you don't want to see those mouse tails, you can uncheck this option that's present over here and the mouse tails will be hidden. In the same way, if you don't want to see the clicks, you can uncheck show clicks. Then we have something called as skip pauses. Here in the player bar, if you see that all this white color area indicates that no behavior has been captured by the visitor, or the visitor was not performing any action on the website. So all these are called as the pauses, and wherever you see the red color indications, that's when some action has been performed by the visitor. If you want to skip these pauses, you can, it's already checked. So with this, what will happen is once you keep playing the session recordings, all the pauses will be skipped. Now let's say I want to include the pauses. So you will see that the website, it's showing you the session recording in the same pace the way it is recorded. If you want to increase the speed of the session recording that is to be played, the playback time, you can increase it by 2 times or 4 times based on the data that you're trying to look for. Then we get to see which device type, browser, operating system, location that the visitor comes from. If you click on the burger menu over here, if let's say the session recording you feel is not of any interest to you, you can probably delete it. And if you feel that it is of interest to you and you don't want it to be deleted because of the data retention, you can save this. So once this goes into the saved option, irrespective of your data retention period, these session recordings will never be deleted. You can download them in your local system. You can also share the session recording with anyone you wish to. So once you click on the share icon, a URL will be generated. You can share this URL and ask the viewers to view the specific session recording that you're trying to share with them. So this way you can play any of the session recordings of any sessions and get to see the behavior of your visitors. Thank you for watching this.